Looking for the best watercolor pencils? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 watercolor pencils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Arteza Lightfast Watercolor 120 Pencil Set. Set of 120 pencils covers nearly every color artists need. Heavy pigmenting for easy color blending. Sturdy packaging stands up to daily use, no need for additional case. From an industry leader in bargain art supplies comes a set that packs a more professional punch than similar companies. Super dry design delivers inadequate coverage for some. At number 2. Castle Arts 72 Pencil Watercolor Set. Easy to sharpen edges. Vibrant colors both dry and wet. Impressive range of colors. This 72 pencil set features a broad range of colors for less than half the price of many competitors. Those who prefer matte don't like their glossy finish. At number 1. Derwent Inktense 24 Pencil Set. Strong, vibrant, ink-like colors. Easy to carry tin for portability and convenience. Tin lid can function as makeshift palette. Durable lead that doesn't break on every sharpen. As some of the best watercolor pencils on the market, these offer pigmentation that lives up to the Inktense name. Might be too vibrant for work requiring subtlety. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.